Welcome to the third course of Advanced System Security Design Specialization. It is called Security and Privacy in TOR Network. In this course, we will learn about TOR basic concepts and see how they protect the security and privacy of users and resist censorship. We will examine how TOR network realize anonymity and realize its service by downloading the browser software. A recent attack on TOR application flow control called sniper attack is analyzed in detail. We will introduce a hidden service provided by the TOR and show how you can set it up to be denominized and then provide a service to the internet. And we also show how it can be defended. To improve the TOR performance, we discuss a cloud-based TOR architecture presented by the group from Princeton University and their implementation on the cloud. By the end of this course, you should be able to utilize TOR browser to protect your privacy, access internet without being worried about being censored. The set up hidden services so that you can provide service to the internet without revealing your own server identity and locations and IP address that protect your server and make it anonymous. You will choose entry guards wisely so that your adversary will not be able to attack them with DDoS attack traffic and force you to choose their own relay and monitoring your traffic.